Hi YouTube.
Hey, two friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we're doing another product review. As you know, we've been doing a lot more cooking, and as we start to get to more complex dishes, we need a food processor just to make the time go by quicker. So what I did is I went and I purchased a Hamilton Beach food processor, and I'm gonna unbox it and let you see what's in here. And then we may use it for one of our upcoming dishes, just so you can see how easy it is to use. But this right today, we're just gonna do an unboxing. It's quick, talk a little bit about it. This one has 3 attachments and 5 functions. It does chopping, shredding, pureeing, kneading, and slicing, which is kind of cool. As you can see, it looks like a blender almost, and they have like a little attachment on the top so you can feed things through it. It's dishwasher safe, but you know, for the most part, these kind of things you just tend to wash. By hand. But I do like the kneading thing because there's a dough blade, and you know everyone's doing sourdough these days, so that's kind of cool. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go see what's in this box. Right on top, we see that it has the kind of food processor instructions. And then there's a sharp blade on the top, and it says precaution, sharp blade, unpack carefully. So be careful when you open it, sharp blades. And then it has a cardboard top. We're gonna just stand up and start pulling stuff out. This is part of the feeding assembly for when you're feeding things down in the processor. Another kneading tool. I'm gonna start pulling all this stuff out. This plastic smells horrible, by the way. And then here's the top of your food processor. It's kind of cool. It says you can fit a whole tomato in there. I don't know how that works, but. And then the bottom part, which is, it has a blade already in there. So again, be careful when you're unpacking it. But it has a blade in there already. And that just comes out. And then you have the bottom of your processor. And that's the part that looks like a blender. And then on here it says slice, shred, puree, knead, pulse, and chop. Pulse is like when you're just trying to like chop stuff up really fine, like for a salad or something like that. And then puree, knead, shredding, things like that. But a food processor is kind of essential if you're doing a lot of things in the kitchen, just because it just makes it so much easier. I'm happy that I got it, and I'm hoping that we'll do a lot more cooking with this. But anyway, I'm not going to belabor this video. I just want you to see everything. Actually, we can assemble it really quickly just so you can see how easy it is to assemble. That's it. And then I guess all this stuff locks down. You can see how it lines up actually. But it's pretty straightforward. So I'm gonna clean this. I'm gonna get out of your hair. Hamilton Beach makes pretty good products. I got this from Target. I think it was on sale for like 50 bucks. So like I said, it's something that I think you should get at home. It just makes your life so much easier when you're trying to like do dishes and you have to slice things and you have to puree stuff, and it's just a kitchen essential. So with that, it's your boy GB Reviews. Please catch me next time. Check out me using this in one of my next cooking adventures. And anyway, it's your boy GB. We're about to get out of here. Subscribe and like below. Peace.
subscribe right below.